Hi, I want to discuss Takanat Rabbanan, which is relevant because a lot of things that we do today are Takanot Rabbanan. Some of what we do is, of course, D'oraita, like obviously Shabbat and Eretz Yisrael, things like that. Those are D'oraita. Other things are D'Rabbanan. A lot of things are D'Rabbanan. And sometimes the Takana D'Rabbanan, rabbinical law, is built on a biblical law, it's sort of around it or something. And sometimes sometimes it's just a takana out there, and like we know the reason for the takana, and the reason doesn't exist anymore. So so you want to know what to do. Well, let's say an Isser D'Rabbanan, a Takana D'Rabbanan, and the reason for the Takana goes away, and we know because the Gemara writes the reason for this Takana. Well, there's a difference of opinion. There's a machlokus between the rambam and the raavad and other Rishonim about what to do in such a case. According to the Rambam, the original Takana keeps on going until you get a Beit Din that's Gadol b'chachma v'minyan, more Beit Din that's on the same stature of the Beit Din that made the Takana, and they can get rid of the Takana. And according to the raavad and the Balei Tosfot, so the Takana goes away. Okay, so this is getting to be a little bit long. I wanted to go into the actual Gemara that this is based on. Just quickly, is an egg that's from a chicken's. It's been hatched on the first day of Rosh Hashanah, and you want to know if the second day of Rosh Hashanah it's mutter or not. So Rav and Shmuel say no, and Rabba says yes it is, because of this Takana of Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai. He came along and there had been a Takana in the second temple period not to be Mikabel Edom, and Rabbi Yochanan ben Zakkai is Mubatalit that Takana, so that makes the Beitza mutter. So because I don't want to make this video too long, I'm going to skip that whole thing. But obviously Rabba, Abaye, they're all holding Tosfot right over there. Obviously hold that once the reason for the Takana goes away, the Takana goes away. That's, you can see that I won't go into the lumdus right today about it. And Rav Yosef, he disagrees with it. So the Rambam, I think, has a good reason to go Rav Yosef in this case, because of at least Rav and Shmuel. I mean, he's going like Rav and Shmuel. I mean that the Beit says Usser, but Rav and Shmuel can explain also and according to Rabbah. But the point is that that's how the Rambam paskins. But this is a machlokas rishonim. Personally, in general, I think that you could be semich on if you have a rishon, like the Rambam or the raavad or Tosfos, to be semich on a certain situation. I think you can depend on them. Okay, well, thank you.